Next we will discuss the example. Find the inverse LT for the following function. First one is s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6x plus 13. Our given function is f bar of s, which is equal to s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6x plus 13. See, the given function is of the form phi of s divided by ps square plus qs plus r. Here you have to convert this denominator to a minus s minus a whole square plus or minus b square. Solution: let s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. See, this is f bar of s. Here we have to convert f bar of s is given in the form phi of s divided by ps square plus qs plus r. See, here p value is 1, q value is 6 and r value is 13. Here we have to express this denominator term as s minus a whole square plus or minus b square. Now we have to convert this denominator term to this one. For that I will write like this: numerator term as it is. First we have to convert the denominator term, so that keep numerator term as it is. First term I will write as it is. See here, see these two terms, s square minus 6s. We have to convert this term to s minus a whole square. S minus a whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. If we consider sa as s, okay, sorry, in our formula already x is there, so that I will take here x and y. This is x and this is y. See, if here we consider this s as x as s, and here minus 6x is there. Here y term is not there. Here we are having 6 means 2. Here s value is, we know that x value is s, and here 6 is there. To get 6 here we have to multiply this to 3. See, here the given our y value is 3 here, so that we get s square plus 3 square minus 6x is equal to s minus 3 whole square, because it is a square minus b square. When we apply the formula is a minus b whole square formula, we get a square plus b square minus 2. This is a and this is b, so that here I will take s square minus 6x as it is. Here I will add and subtract 3 to this denominator to get the required, sorry, not 3 square, so that we will get the perfect square, that is s minus a whole square formula here, so that it is s square minus 6s minus 3 square plus 13 as it is. To get this term s minus a whole square, you have to remember the form, its result, that is a minus b whole square formula is a square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. See, here our first value is given, that is s square minus 6s. On seeing this middle term, you have to identify what is the y term, means what is this term, what we have to add and subtract to this one to get this s minus a whole square form. See here, now s plus 5 divided by a square minus 2ab plus b square is s minus 3 whole square. Remaining is minus 3 square means it is 9 plus 13, which is equal to s plus 5 divided by s minus 3 whole square. Minus 9 plus 13 is plus 4. Now our first step is over, means first work is over. That is, we have here we are expressing this ps square plus qs plus r as s minus a whole square plus or minus b square. Here may be plus or minus, here we are getting plus value, here a value is 3, s minus a whole square plus b. Now we have to convert, or we have to express this phi of s, means numerator term, in the form of s minus a. Here we have to convert this to s minus a form. Here a value is 3. Now which is equal to convert this to s minus 3, I will take s, I am subtracting and adding 3 for the numerator, minus 3 plus 3 plus 5 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 2, which is equal to, I will take s minus 3, 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 4. Here this term we have to express this square, means 4 can be written as s minus 3 plus 8 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. See, the first step is over, means first we have to express the numerator denominator term in the form of s minus a whole square plus or minus b square. Here this 4 can be written as 2 square. Therefore next we have to convert the numerator term to s minus a form. Here a value is 3. I am taking, just I am subtracting and adding 3 to numerator to get the s minus a. Otherwise you can take here, this can be written as, here 5 is there, we can't get any 3 value here, so that just you have to subtracting and adding 3 to numerator to get s minus 3 term. Then for this step, the first step is over, s minus 3 plus a divided by s minus 3 whole square plus b square. This is s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. See, our given function is in s. We are converting this function to s minus a. Here a value is 3. Next c, means this is of the form f bar of s minus a. We are this is f bar of s. We are changing this function. Here the given function is in s. We are changing this to s minus a. This is f bar of s minus a. Now I will apply inverse to this. L inverse of s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13 is equal to L inverse of s minus 3 plus 8 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Now see, from our result is, from the second step, we know that L inverse of f bar of s minus a is equal to e raised to at into L inverse of f bar of s. Here this is our f bar of s minus a. Here we have to find the L inverse. L inverse of f bar of s minus a is e raised to at. First I will write this e raised to at. Here a value is 3, so that it is e raised to 3t. L inverse. Okay, here we have f bar of s, means we have to take only s term here, not s minus 3 term, so that here s minus 3 changes to s, and here s minus 3 changes to s, because here we are taking f bar of s. This is f bar of s minus a term. L inverse of f bar of s minus a is e raised to at into L inverse of f bar of s. Here I am writing e raised to at, e raised to 3t, because a value is 3 here, and f bar of s means it is, here we are taking only s term, means s minus 3 changes to s, so it is s plus 8 divided by s square plus 4 or 2 square. You can write 2 square or 4. Now see, in numerator we have two different terms. We get e raised to 3t L inverse of s divided by s square plus 2 square plus 8 is constant, take outside, L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 2 square. See here, s divided by s square plus 2 square is cos 2a, not a, cos 2t, and here to write 1 divided by s square plus 2 square is there. To write sin 2t, here we have to multiply and divide 2 to this one, We are already solving so many examples to get L inverse. We have to multiply and dividing something to get the required function. Here also, to get the sin 2t form, we have to multiply and divide this term to 2. We get L inverse of this one is equal to e raised to 3t as it is. First we have L inverse of s divided by s square plus 2 square, therefore it is cos 2t. Next plus 8 as it is. Here I am multiplying and dividing. 1 by 2 is constant, taking outside we get 2 divided by s square plus 2 square. Now we have e raised to 3t cos 2t plus 4 1s are 4s are, it is 4 sin 2t. Therefore L inverse of s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6x plus 13 is equal to e raised to 3t into cos 2t plus 4 sin 2t. This is the required L inverse for the given function. Once again I will explain this step. Given function is s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13, which we called f bar of s. Then s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. See, on seeing this two terms, we have to identify what we have to subtracting and adding to this numerator term. S plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 3 square minus 3 squares plus 13. See here, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here from the given term, from these two terms, we know that a is equal to s and b is equal to 3. So that a square minus 2ab is s square minus 6x. So that we get what is the value of b here, 6s square plus s square minus 6s. I am adding and subtracting 3 square to get the s minus a whole square formula here. Minus 3 square plus 13 as it is. This will get s minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 13. It will be 4. This can be written as 2 square. Then we have to express numerator in the form s minus a, so that I am taking multiplying and subtracting and adding 3 to numerator. We get s minus 3 plus 8 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Now see, this is of the form f bar of s minus a. Now see, I am applying L inverse to both the sides. We know that L inverse of f bar of s minus a is equal to e raised to 80 into L inverse of f bar of s. Here a value is 3. Then to get this f bar of s, we have to change s minus 3 to s. We get e raised to 3t L inverse of, here we have f bar of s,
so that this s minus 3 changes to s only, s plus a divided by s square plus 2 square. Here in numerator we have two different terms, so that it is s divided by s square plus 2 square plus 8 is constant, L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 2 square. This is cos 2t plus, to get the required function, L inverse function, here we have to multiply and divide 2 to this one. We get 8 into 1 by 2 L inverse of 2 divided by s square plus 2 square. Therefore 3 e raised to 3t into cos 2t plus 4 sin 2t is the required result, required L inverse for the given function. In the same way you have to solve the examples. First you have to express the numerator term, denominator term in the form of s minus a whole square plus or minus b square. Then you have to change the numerator as s minus a. You get the function of the form s minus a. Next you have to use the result and solve. You get the required result, required L inverse for the given function.